Daerah Seberang Perai Selatan SPS berjaya menumpaskan dua kumpulan sindiket curi motosikal yang bergiat aktif di sekitar Pulau Pinang, Kedah dan Perak.
Problem statement. The objectives. How MTD built. How MATID operates. When the motorcycle is moving, you will get a warning message from Telegram application. To turn off the motorcycle, you need to open the Telegram application and send a message per mode off. To capture a photo, you need to open Telegram application and send a message photo. To get the location, you need to send a message location to Telegram application. Then you will get the coordinates of the motorcycle. Then find the coordinates of the motorcycle using the Google Maps application, and you will be able to find out the current location of the motorcycle. To turn the motorcycle back on, you need to open Telegram application and send a Mode on message.